Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bat penjasliang Umrupa Premium Meghalaya ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore ka khot admission nagmenta ka nursing but paramedical course ka bala ithu da ka Indian Nursing Council ka by admission ka badunatam but shispa percent ka jingyokam pila ru ban apply da ka education loan
Kamukam College long ka khot admission haki degree but diploma course panong chef hotelier but QA pandap khapnia fila pan call haki niki number
State Working President Jagaseng National People's Party haga jilla budiru menteri sarkar ka jilla Marcus and Marak ulong bagi seng ke badan hakilyang persya ki thakle namar bakimla thau perthai harilom Garo ulong bagi babun ginoylam Jagaseng Congress kilawan penyeso Jagaseng NPP ginoylam bagi dekat Jagaseng Trinamool Congress Part kidang Kulmar Jingmut lakin yaine nikin Phet no Nagaseng bagi dan namar bakimla batai lupa syanu ke TMC kan poi Kadbagaseng Voice of the People Party Part ulong ba omdon ba Pdiang yagan kaseng harilom Garo bakkan omla su thiet AA Rewat la ka taw Marcus ulong bu umpat la ban kentron ya kaseng Congress damar bagadi kaseng rim bagadan ke jingki jingsat hangni hangtei
Well, they are also, very old political party. In fact, Congress party is the oldest party in our country. Everyone knows it. And in Garo Hills, they are also struggling a bit now because most of their parties have eroded to NPP now. And though in the last MP elections they have won, but that doesn't mean that they have hold in the Garo Hills region area. And with regard to TMC, even most of the TMC members are quite confused now whether to remain in a TMC. Even I think some of their leaders are also quite confused whether they will stick to their party TMC. That's the questions they are putting on because we come to learn from their own people. I don't say that it's shamble, but I am saying they're a bit confused whether they'll remain in the political party of TMC because it's very difficult for people to accept TMC in Garo Hills. That's the question. I don't have any comment on that because it's their right, they are also, senior leaders to me. Dr. Mukul is a very senior leader to me and Dr. Charles Pingrove is also my very senior leader today. I think if these questions you want to ask them, please ask to them only. Because I don't have any comments regarding them. They are very senior leaders. As I said, they're quite confused, people are quite confused. Even the party leaders and the grassroots level are quite confused whether to remain with TMC. That's the question I'm saying. BPP party, I think there's no takers in Garo Hills and there's no leaders in them which is acceptable to the people there in Garo Hills. No question of threat and then no question of presence there in Garo Hills, what I feel. For any political party, it's a challenge. I don't see any dominance. I don't say any dominance. We are also trying our level best to work on, with the people there.